Good morning, guys. We are back again with another video. Please react to this YouTube channel, MOSOTHOFXTRADER, and leave a comment on the section below in the comment section. And today we are going to analyze three pairs. Like you know me, I always analyze three pairs. I'm going to analyze gold, EURGBP, GBPCAD, depending on the time that we have. Before we even waste any time, we should look at what is gold doing. I just opened the chart of gold here. By the look of things, gold have been selling. If you could look from last year, it was on 2073.71. Overall movement of gold has been selling. If you could look at it until I think it was April 12th or and yeah, let me just check for you. And when was this? And we bought again. Okay, until the 1st of April, the 31st of March 2021, where we saw the bullish movement, where the bulls became strong and we saw gold going back up. It shoot from there until 1914.67. This was the first of on the 1st of June 2021. So by the look of things, it looks like gold it's still buying, because we saw what happened yesterday. We had like a strong sell and then the strong rejection almost at the level of 1680. Yeah, we had the reaction from 1680, but by the look of things, we still look like we are going up. So gold it's buying by the look of things, gold is buying. So by the look of things, gold is buying. So yeah, I could buy it. I bought it and lost a minimum profit because my account is not that big. So I always try to, but I'll get back to it, of course, and I'll get back to it. It's not a big smash. It's not a trend smash. So today we are going to analyze gold. So before we analyze gold, we have to look at bigger time frames, what the bigger time frames are telling us, and then from there we can actually do what we, because if you look at this support and resistance, like you could see where it rejected, it's closer, because where the market normally rejects, it's 1675.04, and you see the change in direction. So but this time it was a little bit up higher. It was a little bit up. Okay, by the look of things, it rejected from here. So we can call this here, this shadows beneath this false breakout, and then it went back up, because if you could look at it, it was here. And then we can see that gold it's going back up. Gold is going back up. By the way, remember that gold is a commodity, guys. So don't ever make a mistake of thinking gold is a currency. No, gold is a commodity. So this could happen. This could happen by the look of things. Because if you could see, I made my trend line there, and then yeah. So this is like weekly time frame where I'm looking to see where this is heading. So I might see it heading here and coming back down here, as it looks like it's still continuing to sell. According to my analysis, long term it's a sell, but from now you could buy until it reaches the trend line there, and then we can sell it once we have the confirmation on the trend line. You don't just sell while the market is buying. You can't trade against the movement. You will lose a lot of money. So you could even look bigger time frames. You could see that from monthly, you can see that monthly it has been selling since then. It's still going down. So we are looking for this opportunity. If we are looking for selling opportunity, if you think you are late on buying, you can wait for it to the retest on the trend line, and then you can sell it after the retest there. But if you want to buy, you should just go to 1 hour time frame, and you should make your smaller here. So once it breaks this level, if you're looking to buy it, because yes, I would look to buy it, but I missed this position already. So I entered here and I just closed like 5 rand, and then yeah, 5 rand, which is yeah, and then yeah, because I realized, you know what, as I was saying, my account is not big, then you could wait for the retest. Then after the retest, you could buy gold. You could buy gold. The beauty of gold is that you could buy it until here. You could buy it until here. This could be a take profit one. This could be a take profit one. This could be a take profit one. This could be a take profit one, and that could be a take profit two. This could be a take profit two. This level could be a take profit two, because remember, this is one of the, so you could put it here, and then after putting it here, you can wait for the retest and then continue with going up. You could see this. So this could be a take, this could be, this is your support and resistance, remember, because if you look at it, you see, you see, so this, after the break up here, it will come and retest, and then it will shoot further up until here. So if you are going to buy gold, you should buy it after the retest on top of the support here once it breaks this trend, and then you can also buy it once it breaks the trend here, as I was saying to you. So you could wait for it to break the trend there, and then you could buy it, of course. So after that, we can continue and then see where it's taking us. So by the look of things, like I was analyzing, this is like smaller time frame. You can just look for it in 4 hours. You could also see it in 4 hours. It's still looking like this, and you could see this is still a strong support and resistance here, of which if it's going up to the trend line, you could have another retest on top of the support and resistance, and then you will just go up there and then shoot way up. You can shoot way up, but you should also bear in mind that this is a level, and it looks like it's a strong level, but the market tested more than 3 times. If you could look at it, market tested more than 3 times. You see what I was talking about. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, like the retest on this was like just strong, and then it went massively down. See, this could also be happening, and you could see gold shooting up until it reached there on the trend line. So if you are looking for buying opportunities, I would say once it breaks here and it retests on this level of 1737.44, my advice is that you can buy it. And also, if you missed this opportunity, you can go to, you can also place another buy here at this level. We have another level there, this level. So we have another level here. You can also buy your gold there. So for now, for people who want to trade gold, they should be looking for buying opportunities in gold. And remember, the moment you can only buy it, it's after the retest at this level of 1735. Yeah, above it, 1735.96. Once the market retests there, it gives you a buying opportunity. You can buy it from there, or you can buy it at the next level at 1758. This is 1758 to 1759. Yeah, 1759. Once it retests that level of 1759.94, or yeah, you can buy it, and also you can buy it at the level of 1793.37. You can buy it, as you can see, and also you can buy it once it breaks the 1831 level. You can buy it. So In this, you could just be looking for buying opportunities, not the selling opportunities at the moment. Because if you could look at this spike, it's a strong spike from where the market it was, and we are looking into the fact that it could be heading further higher. It could be heading further higher. So gold has the tendency of. So now, as I was saying to you guys, we are just going to continue with the fact that the market now. So now we are done with analyzing gold. We'll be analyzing Euro GBP. We are now done with analyzing gold. We are analyzing Euro GBP, where we see ourselves what's happening in Euro GBP. We could just see, but at the moment I'm just going to open this chart. I'm not trading it at the moment. I'm just going to open it and analyze it for you guys, because we still have something like 10 minutes, and we'll try to break this into pieces as fast as I can. By the look of things, yeah, this was what I was expecting. This was what I was expecting from um, so you can see that EURGBP has been selling, but the truth is it has been selling since last year. If you could look after that massive crash there, because we had like the strong bullish movement during the pandemic, where EURGBP bought like nobody else business, while we could see the GBP pairs were selling so strong, and this one gained strength. So once the GBP recorrected themselves, this one lost its strength, because so we could see that so now by the look of things, your GBP it's at the certain level where it just formed a support and resistance, a strong support and resistance, as you could look at, and you could see it make an inverted hammer at that level, where we could actually be looking into buying opportunities. It could be a long buy, it could be a short buy. By the look of things, according to NFP news, we saw that the USD gained. So we could see that GBP pairs, some GBP pairs are just going to sell due to the effect of NFP, and then we will see this one buying strong and heading to this level. Of course, it will be heading. This is a daily time frame, so we'll see it heading to this level of 0.85600 on it. 0.85600 on it. So this is the great time to buy. You could buy it daily and just put your stop loss at, let me just zoom this. You could just put your stop loss here at the level of 0.84 or 0.83989, just to run away from stop loss hunt, to protect yourself from such. So from there I see it buying until here, but by the look of things we will see on the next news what is happening, because if the GBP news gives GBP strength, we could see this continuing to sell, and it could sell even furthermore, maybe to the levels of 2019, 10 February 2019, where we could see it selling. And if it does break this trend line, of course, we'll be looking for sell opportunities, not buying opportunities. But at the current moment, we see ourselves buying. I could see another retest there. You could see this. This could happen also. This could happen because of this level here, 0.85264. We could see that the market has the tendency to reject at that level. So this could happen. And then after that rejection, for people who would miss this buying opportunity here, they could also place a buying opportunity up there. So before you place your GBP, you just have to look into bigger time frames. Therefore, into smaller time frames, you'd be looking into where the direction of bigger time frames is heading. Therefore, you could place a trade or the right trade. So yeah. Oh no, I opened US 30, sorry. So by the look of things, your GBP is buying too. Now we are going to the crazy one, the GBP cat. Remember GBP cat, this one is the hard one to trade, but also the most fun, magnificent one to trade. So as we are looking for it, EURGBP, EURGBP, EURGBP. No, no, not EURGBP. We are done. We are looking for GBPCAD. Yeah, we are looking for GBPCAD, and of course, here we have it. Let's just open the chart and then try to use that 5 minutes to explain it very fast because, of course, we don't have time. Of course, we don't have time. Yeah, by the look of things, the reason why I was saying Euro GBP it's buying, it's because the GBP pairs are selling. As you could look from um let me just go into weekly time frames. GBP, it's just it's like one of the strongest support and resistance levels, and then there it was from February 2021. From February 2021 it has been selling, and then it sold for a long time until 2nd of May. Then we saw this doji here, and after that doji we could see that GBP can continue to buy, but it looks like after that on the 18th July it continued with a sell. So overall movement here, I still see a sell. I still see a sell as an overall movement because, as I was saying, the GBP didn't gain strength as much as US. So, and also this could be one of the trickiest pair because if gold is selling, the Canadian is going to gain strength, and once the Canadian dollar gains strength, we could see that the GBP CAD is just going to sell because if gold is buying, then if oil is buying, we will see the CAD gaining strength. But if oil is selling, we could see the CAD losing strength. Therefore, if the CAD is losing strength, this would be having an opportunity to buy because the oil would be losing its value. Therefore, we'll see it continuing with the buying trend. But if cat gains strength and the cat buys, you will see this. So by the look of things, on Wednesday or Tuesday, I think Wednesday or today, we have the oil news. So we could just see what is going to happen to this pair after this news because this one is controlled by cat and we don't have so much to offer on it unless the Great Britain has sessions. But at the moment I didn't see anything, but I'll try to look for them and then try to analyze it more. So if you lack any understanding, please leave a comment section below, then I'll get back to you and tell me more which pairs would you like me to trade or where would you like us to start. Don't forget to subscribe at MOSOTHOFX channel, and we'll be proud to assist you however we can. Thank you.